Ever wondered why NASA hasn't engineered a way to clean the solar panels of Mars rovers? As dust accumulates, these rovers lose power and their missions are cut short. So why not equip them with a mechanism to brush away the dust and prolong their missions? It's a good question, and it's not about lack of engineering skill but rather a dance of compromise and resource allocation. Let's use the resource box analogy. Picture a box that represents the total resources available for a mission: mass, dimensions, power, schedule, data volume, and cost. This box sets the boundaries for engineers. Every addition to the rover, like a cleaning mechanism, means sacrificing something else, maybe a scientific instrument or a backup system. In the world of deep space mission engineering, the goal is to maximize scientific returns while staying within the box. Every decision is a balance between enhancing mission capabilities and respecting resource limitations. Despite the lure of innovative solutions, practicality often wins. Looking back at past missions like Spirit, Opportunity, and Insight, we see the result of these calculated trade-offs. Dusty solar panels did shorten mission lifespans, but the sacrifices made to include cleaning mechanisms would have compromised other critical functionalities. The decision to forego cleaning mechanisms was deemed acceptable, ensuring that the rovers achieved their primary scientific objectives. So, as we look toward the future of space exploration, we understand that innovation is tempered by resource constraints. The idea of self-cleaning solar panels for Mars rovers is enticing, but it must be weighed against the intricate balance of mission requirements. NASA's engineers continue to push the boundaries of what's possible within the resource box, striving to maximize scientific discoveries while navigating the challenges of deep space exploration. The lessons from the past remind us that sometimes the most remarkable feats of engineering arise not from thinking outside the box, but from skillfully navigating within its confines.